Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all the houses that belong to Heartopia NPCs that have recently been revamped. So the first one is we have Blanc's house, I guess. So we have a painting of the girl with a pearl earring and like a painting of the Starry Night. It's a little bit cropped though, and some other paintings here. I can see the scream. I don't know what this painting is called, but I know the painting, I guess. But this is, oh, it's here as well, like the painting of the Starry Night. I think like they use like the same thing all around, so they didn't have to make a lot of paintings, but it's still very cute. I love the indoors part of his house. And then next we have Naniwa's house. There's actually a greenhouse, which is this like area over here. Then I love the dragonflies that are like on the ceiling. And this is his house. He also has like this like porch area. I don't know. And last but not least, we have Vanya's house, which is I think my favorite because look how pretty this is. Like it suits him very well too. Oh, there's a bug there. I don't know. I think this house is the prettiest in my opinion. But yeah, that is it. If you want to go check it out for yourself, you can do that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.